The partnership between NASA and SpaceX, crucial to the Artemis program, has hit a period of tension. This collaboration, once hailed as a groundbreaking alliance, is now under intense scrutiny from both the public and government officials. In October 2025, acting NASA Administrator Sean Duffy publicly criticized the pace of SpaceX's Starship human landing system, citing the need to beat China to the lunar surface. This statement was a clear indication of the growing impatience within NASA and the urgency to maintain a competitive edge in the new space race. NASA's public pressure marked a significant shift, no longer waiting quietly, but making the 2027 deadline a national priority. The agency's leadership emphasized that delays were no longer acceptable, and the pressure was on to deliver results promptly. The White House, eager for a technological win, amplified the stakes, making delays a matter of national concern. The administration highlighted the importance of the Artemis program in maintaining American leadership in space exploration and technology. NASA escalated by reopening the Artemis III lunar lander contract to competition, inviting both SpaceX and Blue Origin to submit accelerated plans. This move was designed to ensure that the mission would proceed on schedule, regardless of which company ultimately provided the lander. This move turned a collaborative effort into a direct contest, signaling NASA's willingness to consider alternatives if SpaceX faltered. The competition was intended to spur innovation and speed up development, but it also added pressure on SpaceX to meet its commitments. SpaceX now faced not just technical challenges, but a battle of perception, every delay scrutinized as a potential national setback. The company had to navigate the complexities of rapid development while managing public and governmental expectations. The message was clear: SpaceX had to prove it was still the fastest, most reliable path back to the moon. The stakes were higher than ever, and the world was watching to see if SpaceX could rise to the challenge and deliver on its promises. SpaceX responded to NASA's criticism not with words, but with hardware. Instead of lengthy press releases or public rebuttals, the company let its actions speak for themselves, doubling down on visible, tangible progress. In the weeks after NASA's remarks, Starbase in Texas became a showcase of progress. The site buzzed with activity as new rocket sections arrived and teams worked around the clock to accelerate development. Journalists saw the first full-scale Starship HLS crew section, a tangible sign of the lunar lander taking shape. For the first time, the public could see the scale and ambition of SpaceX's lunar hardware up close. New renders of the redesigned HLS and the debut of the Starship V3 tanker for orbital refueling demonstrated parallel progress on multiple fronts. These updates highlighted SpaceX's commitment to both lunar landing and the complex refueling operations needed for deep space missions. SpaceX's rapid-fire updates replaced doubt with evidence, shifting the narrative from delays to momentum. Each new rollout and hardware milestone was a clear signal that the company was not standing still. The company's development was anything but linear. Multiple critical systems advanced simultaneously. From propulsion to life support, teams tackled challenges in parallel, compressing timelines and pushing boundaries. This strategic communication reassured stakeholders SpaceX was moving fast, with real results. Regular briefings and visible progress updates kept both NASA and the public informed and engaged. The hardware rolling out of Starbase was a bold statement of commitment to the Artemis III timeline. Each massive rocket section on the move was a promise made visible, a testament to SpaceX's determination. SpaceX made it clear, concerns were being answered with steel, not promises. The company's relentless pace and visible achievements left little doubt. Progress was not just promised, it was being delivered in real time. SpaceX backed up its hardware reveals with data, confirming 49 key milestones for the human landing system by late 2025. These weren't minor achievements, they included successful tests of the astronaut elevator, life support systems, and the androgynous docking adapter. Drop tests of advanced landing legs and environmental control trials in full-scale mock-ups further de-risked the mission. Each milestone built technical confidence for the 2027 landing, directly addressing NASA's concerns. By systematically checking off NASA's requirements, SpaceX demonstrated real technical readiness. These achievements proved the program was grounded in rigorous testing, not just ambition. SpaceX's latest updates revealed the most detailed look yet at the Artemis III Starship HLS. The vehicle boasts a vast 600 cubic meter pressurized volume, far larger than Apollo's cramped lunar module, designed for extended surface operations. 2 dedicated airlocks, robust landing legs, and a full life support system highlight the focus on safety and efficiency. The HLS uses a proven androgynous docking system for seamless crew transfer from Orion, or the Lunar Gateway. For landing, high-mounted thrusters minimize lunar dust disruption, a clever solution to a classic problem. Established technology and innovative design choices combine to reduce risk and enhance mission success. Starship HLS is built for a new era of lunar exploration, bigger, safer, and more capable. Orbital refueling is the linchpin of the Starship HLS mission. The lunar Starship launches dry. A fleet of tanker and depot starships must fuel it in orbit, a feat never before attempted at this scale. SpaceX plans multiple demonstration missions in 2026 to prove this complex choreography. Dual launch sites, Starbase in Texas and LC-39A in Florida, will enable the high cadence needed for rapid refueling. The process builds on the first in-space propellant transfer achieved during Starship Flight 10 in 2025, but at a much larger scale. Success here is as critical as the lander itself. Without reliable orbital refueling, Artemis III cannot proceed. SpaceX is betting its future, and NASA's lunar ambitions, on mastering this logistical challenge. The world will be watching as SpaceX attempts to make orbital refueling routine. The Human Landing System, or HLS, is based on the upcoming Starship Block 3, a major leap in capability for deep space exploration. This next-generation vehicle is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible, building on lessons learned from previous Starship iterations, and incorporating cutting-edge advancements. The first Block 3 flight, scheduled for early 2026, will serve as a crucial milestone, validating key technologies and systems needed for future lunar missions. This flight will test not only the rocket's performance, but also its ability to support the demanding requirements of NASA's Artemis program. Among the most significant upgrades is the powerful Raptor 3 engine, which delivers greater thrust and efficiency, enabling heavier payloads and more ambitious missions beyond Earth orbit. Block 3 also features a redesigned Super Heavy booster for improved reusability and enhanced heat shielding to withstand the intense conditions of re-entry from the Moon or Mars. So far, 11 full-stack test flights have already provided invaluable data, each one refining the design and operational procedures for future missions. Flight 10 marked a true turning point by achieving all of its primary objectives, demonstrating the rapid progress SpaceX is making with each launch. To support a rapid launch cadence, new launch pads are under construction at both Starbase and LC-39A, expanding SpaceX's ability to launch multiple missions in quick succession. This integrated, fast-paced approach is SpaceX's hallmark: vehicle, engines, and infrastructure evolving together in a seamless, iterative process that accelerates innovation. The company's relentless testing and rapid iteration are what give it the confidence to meet the ambitious 2027 Artemis III deadline, setting a new standard for the industry. SpaceX is racing not just to the moon, but to redefine how quickly spaceflight can advance, paving the way for a new era of exploration and possibility. Starship's rapid progress is fueled by SpaceX's unique funding model. Over 90% of development is self-funded. This independence allows for rapid prototyping and risk-taking, far beyond traditional government contracts. SpaceX is often ahead of schedule on core vehicle development, providing a buffer against setbacks. The company's vision extends beyond NASA's contract. HLS is just one application of a next-generation transport system. While competitors lag, SpaceX is flight testing hardware and building infrastructure. Its aggressive investment and development philosophy have made it the clear frontrunner for the 2027 landing. SpaceX's bold moves are keeping America on track for a new era of lunar exploration. In the high-stakes race back to the moon, SpaceX's ambition may be America's greatest asset.